Let me show you how you can read the data of a sound sensor and a linear Hall sensor from a Raspberry Pi. This is the sound sensor I'll be using. It uses the microphone at the end to detect sound and output either an analog signal or a digital signal. This is the linear Hall sensor I'll be using. What it does is detect the strength, or if there is a magnetic field around it. It too uses either an analog signal or a digital signal. We'll first connect the VCC, ground, and digital out pins to the Raspberry Pi. The VCC will go to the 5-volt pin, the ground to ground, and the digital output to GPIO 17, which is physical pin 11. Once the sound sensor is all connected, we'll then connect the VCC, ground, and digital output pin of the linear Hall sensor. The VCC goes to 5 volts, ground to ground, and the digital output pin goes to GPIO pin 27 or physical pin 13. Then we should have everything connected and can now move on to the coding part of the project. Before we start coding, we should first give the file a name. We'll name it sound_linear-hall_sensor.py. Once we name it and save, we'll start coding. I'm going to speed through this. I'll leave a link in the description for you to copy and paste. If you would like me to go deeper in how the code works and give a more detailed tutorial, make sure you comment down below and be sure you're subscribed.